It's snowing outside. It's cold, but in Business Central, the marketing department are dreaming big. They want to have a special themed version of the sales quote for the holidays. So what they want is send out quotes that look like this, pixelated snowflakes, maybe a snowman, instead of the, wouldn't say boring, but at least say blue sales quote design that we always use. So in this video, I'm going to show you how the marketing department can do just this in a few minutes with no need for a developer. The first thing is going to the report layouts page. This is where all the layouts for reports are hiding in Business Central. And here you can see if you search for Themable in version 2024 release wave 2, we added what we call themable layouts. You can see there's Themable here in the name. And for sales quote, sales confirmation, invoice, and so on, we have added these themable layouts. What are these? Well, let me just filter to the quote. We want to do quotes, sales quote here, and I'll just save this view here. Sorry, let's do that again. 1304. Filter to standard quote, save this as quotes. You don't have to, but I just want to go back to these to show it again. And here you have the blue themable quote. If we just run the report with this, just pick Trey Research as a customer and preview, you can see, yeah, it's a sales quote design, nothing fancy, but just wait and see. If we export this layout and open it in Word, this is a Word layout, and enable editing, you notice that if you choose design and themes, this layout is responsive to the different Office themes. So the look and feel, the fonts, the colors, you can just change them right away like this. Now, in the marketing department, we wanted a snow, so something dark in color, and we like this. This is, by the way, also the new Aptos font in Office that also is available in Business Central online as of December 2024. So this is nice, but we also want a watermark. So here under design, we have under the page background menu, we have a watermark a way to place watermarks. And we want some snowflakes. We want pixelated snowflakes. And the best way to generate these is, of course, in Paint. So here in Paint, I have taken the image creator and given it a prompt, snow falling. I've chosen pixel art as the style, and then I have chosen create. This, after 10 seconds, gave me a number of variants for this, and I think I actually like this version. So I'll crop this and save it to my download folder so I can use it as a watermark. So back in Word, if I go to watermark and custom watermarks here, and I choose picture and select picture. Let's see if we can find our picture from that was downloaded here. And let's take snow pixels. That was the one I generated. And I choose apply. And there you go. So now we have a watermark. I will save this layout and then go back to Business Central and upload it as a new layout. So I choose here on report layouts, I have chosen the right report. So I choose new, and let me just say, let it snow. And I choose format option of Word, choose OK, and then I need to upload the layout. This was the one I just edited. So after a few seconds, my Let It Snow is ready. I can test it with the same Trey Research customer and preview, and there you go. Now we have completely changed our sales quote, no need for a developer, and we can choose this as the default layout for December or January. And then when we get to another season, we can simply add a new season layout for our quotes. That's it, guys. Hope you will go and do some awesome layouts for Christmas. Thank you.